they stayed at work, and all of a sudden I had a shower.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Sussex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Paxton, or 9 miles west of Worcester, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Worcester, Shrewsbury, Holden, Leicester, Rutland, Sterling, West Boylston, Paxton, Boylston, at Princeton around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Grafton, Northborough, Clinton, and Millbury around 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Westborough, Lancaster, and Berlin around 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Marlborough, Hudson, Hopkinton, Southborough, and Upton around 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Bolton around 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Hey, John.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, west central Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, south central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Charlton, or 10 miles southwest of Worcester, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Framingham, Marlborough, Shrewsbury, Franklin, Milford, Hudson, Westborough, Grafton, Sudbury, Holden, Ashland, Bellingham, Auburn, Northbridge, Hopkinton, Northborough, Oxford, Holliston, and Usbridge.
Call now.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northwestern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Warwick to Montague, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Leominster, Fitchburg, Orange, Deerfield, Gardner, Ossall, Pepperell, Drodden, Winchendon, Lunenburg, Townsend, Montague, Lancaster, Templeton, Sterling, Westminster, Shirley, Ashburnham, Hubbardston, and Princeton.
I don't ever slow up.